So I'm currently in the 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, and along with the over 700 horsepower that this V8 produces, you get a cool launch control mode. Now, in this vehicle, there are two ways to initiate launch control. The most simplest is down low next to the SRT button, you have a launch button. Alternatively, if you don't want to push that button or you just want to adjust your launch control RPM shift point, you can push the SRT vehicle button down low right here, and it'll pop you right here where you will see performance pages, drive modes, and race options. Now, the SRT button next to launch pops you right into drive modes, but if you hit race options, you will be in a launch control screen. So you can adjust the RPM level of the launch, and you can also activate launch control. So I'm going to do so in a moment. I am in an empty parking lot. Do so when you use it safely. Do not do it on the streets. But once I do that, you're going to see a screen pop up right here showing me my brake pressure and to apply throttle, and then let go of the brake, and you will go as fast as the vehicle can and as fast as traction allows. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to put it in drive. Currently in drive. Then I'm going to activate launch control. Apply full throttle, release brake. And that is how fast you are able to go with launch control. Like I said, do so in a safe area. I'm currently in an empty parking lot, but this thing will go. It will probably take your breath away. But hopefully this now shows you how to do launch control in your own vehicle. Thanks for watching.